Howdy folks, and welcome to the Seaside Shenanigans tour with Monkey Dick's Adventures. So this is a 4,234 mile trip that I'm doing on a CT125, starting off from Honda Blackpool, making my way around the coast. Each one of those colours is a different day, and I'll be either wild camping, or staying in people's back gardens. Howdy folks, Monkey Dick's Adventures. I'm just going to start getting the bike ready for the Seaside Shenanigans tour. It's the longest trip I've ever done, so I'm going to have to really make sure that I pack right for it. Don't overpack like I did last time on the garden hopping tour. Yeah, so I'm going to start off by taking off my handguards made from milk bottle cartons and fitting something a bit more durable for the trip. So folks, Griff Ring Spanner MR6 has donated some handguards when he was clearing out his garage. I'll show you those. They're quite smart these, your hands go in there and these fit around the handlebars. So look at those, size them up for the bike. They're going to look massive on this thing. Just show you the handguards. A bit prettier than the milk bottles. Even the birds agree. Plenty of room there for your hands. Yeah, so I'm going to put the front carriers on here. Next up is going to be my front storage. So I've got these gas mask holders which I used for the last tour. The mistake I made last time was I was told that you could fit 5 litre Tupperware cartons in, which you could, but it was really difficult to fasten them, and it was a bit of a pain on the way round. So I've gone down to 4 litre now. There you go. So for all the cooking equipment on the way around. So there are the bags in place. Really helpful, them are on the trip. Don't take up any room either. Shabba. So this is going to be the biggest thing I've done on any motorcycle, let alone a 125. Over 4,000 miles. That's some going, that is. When we did the 2,600 mile Monkey Garden Hopping tour, we were absolutely shattered. So I'm going to make sure that instead of 200 plus miles a day on average, I'm going to drop that down to about 160, and I've planned my stops around. I've already had about 13 people up to now so that I can stay in their gardens. I really appreciate that, and anybody else who wants to reach out, please do so. It'll be gratefully received. Viva. Well, trips aren't just about the mileage that you get under your belt, it's also about the people you meet along the way. Really looking forward to spending time with people on this tour. I'm always blown away by people's generosity, offering brews, food, etc. It is really appreciated. Viva the Monkey Revolution. We'll be doing modifications to the bike so that I can carry my tools and all my equipment. I'll show you what kit I'm taking as well and how it's packed up, because for a trip as long as this you've got to make sure that you pack minimal but that you've got the key things that you need in case something goes wrong. Viva the Monkey Revolution. So folks, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on this epic tour.